Good morning, students. Yesterday or in our previous video, we can discuss about various career options available in physical education. Today, we can going to start a new topic, Khelo India. Khelo India. As we all know, the importance of sports and fitness in a person's life is invaluable. Playing sports, we can learn many things like team spirit, develop strategies and analytical thinking, leadership skill, goal setting, and risk taking quality. Such kind of things we can develop when we can take part in physical activities, sports and games. Participation in sports enable players to demonstrate their true potential. When a person take part in these activities, where a sports person show their potential or their skill in front of others. Khelo India program. Khelo India program has been introduced to revive the sports culture in India at the grassroots level. One important thing is grassroots level. It means Khelo India program is designed to choose the player from village and small towners. India at the grassroots level by building a strong framework for all sports played in our country. Khelo India program established India as a great sporting nation. Great sporting nation. Khelo India program first time organized in year 2018. The date is 31 Jan to 8 Feb. It has been conducted 31st Jan to 8th Feb 2018 in New Delhi. 2018 in New Delhi. Our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodar Modi has started this program. The main motive to start this program is to upliftment of sports in India, as well as find out talented or hidden sports personality from grassroots level. In these games, only under 17. In these games, only under 17 age group players played. In first Khelo India program that conducted in year 2018, 31st Jan to 8th Feb, New Delhi, only under 17 age group players played. Second time second time these games held in Pune. Second time these games held in Pune, one of the important city of Maharashtra. And the third edition of Khelo India Games was played in Guwahati. I think everyone know, have learned SST. Just tell me, where is Guwahati? Guwahati is the capital of, yes, class 11th students, बताइए कहाँ है? गुवाहाटी इज द कैपिटल ऑफ आसाम. इंडिया गेम्स was played. Khelo India Games was played in Guwahati. In these games, first time under 17 and under 21. In these games, first time, along with under 17, under 21 players also play. And they are taking part in 20 games activity. These games are conducted between 10th Jan to 2nd Jan 2020. And the name of these games has been changed. It changed from Khelo India to Khelo India Youth Games. Now it is known as Khelo India Youth Game. In these games, more than 10,000 participants take part in it. In these games, 1,000 top performers. I am repeat the sentence. 1,000 top performer or top players get scholarship of rupees 5 lakh. Per annum for how many years? 8 years. Get 5 lakh rupees scholarship per annum for 8 years.